It's so cold. I don't feel like coming up on my quilt. What shall I do? Come out of the quilt and let's have some winter fun with Nursery D. It's winter time, let's keep warm. This is a sweater. It will protect you from winter chill and keep you warm and comfortable. Come with these socks on your feet to keep them some warmth. Hi everyone, wear these gloves to protect your hands from getting cold. This is a woolen cap. You wear it on your leg.
What is this?
When it's unbearably cold, you wrap this around your neck. It keeps you warm. Now, I think I am winter ready. No, not yet. There's a lot more to this season. It's time to meet some more winter friends. The crunchy carrot is full of vitamin A. It's good for your eyes. That's what people say. When someone looks at it, they think it's a tree. But it is a healthy and yummy broccoli. Spinach is Popeye's and my favorite food. It keeps me strong. Look at this. What you see is sports countries. Salad, please. Yummy. Green when raw, red when ripe. You can have it whenever you like. I want to have them all. You can have all of them in a healthy bowl of soup. It's delicious. Hey, don't forget the winter fruit. They're friendly too.
It is full of vitamin C and good for your immunity.
Here is the rib smacking strawberry. It can be used to make ice cream and jellies. Sweet and tangy, one can have it ripe as well as dried. Oh, yummy! Let me make the fruit salad and eat them all together. Sweet, 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 sweet. Hello, dear. Can I share your fruit salad? It looks delicious. I'm so tired as I have flown from a colder country to your land, which is warmer than mine.
Look, they're flying in the air. It's a bird. Look, high, flying in the sky. It is a bird. Birds have beaks. Birds can sing. They have lots and lots of feather on their wings. Look, they're flying in the air. It is a bird. Move your arms like a bird. Move your arms like a bird. Sing a song like a bird. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Sing a song like a bird. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Move your arms like a bird.